Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Social distancing and wearing mask has been forgotten. So through this media also I want to tell people of Goa, you can have marriages, you can have clusters, but at least wear mask, because many places it was seen in the marriages people were not wearing mask. People are not wearing mask, and mostly people are now considering COVID as some common cold. If we again start getting every day 200 to 50 cases, then there will be again flooding of hospitals. And then
सोटो सकयल अवयव दान जातात ते कायद्याक धरून तातूंत बेकायदेशीर कांयच ना म्हणून दोतोरान स्पश्ट केलें.
only brain stops functioning. Other organs are functioning. There is a good circulation in the organs, but it is challenging to keep these organs alive after brain death. Now somebody that day said yesterday that we know that organs are taken in the morgue also. This is wrong. Somebody who is completely dead has no meaning. He cannot donate organs. Please don't spread this news, because this news is going to create a reverse gear for a SOTO program in Goa. Organs are taken, they are taken as per the law, as per the guidelines of ROTO, guidelines of NOTO through green corridor, and they are implanted as per the wait list of ROTO.
गोंयांत शाळा कॉलेजींनी केशी वाडत आसात. सरकारान 9वी आनी 11वेच्या क्लासींचो प्रस्ताव सध्या होल्डार दवरला.
कुडचड्यार आज 12th सायन्साचो एक हायर सेकंडरीचो भुरगो तेगे रिपोर्ट पॉझिटिव्ह येयलेलो आसा, आनी जेन्ना आमी तेंगे प्रिंसिपला वचून मेळ्ळे तेन्ना आमकां सांगलें आसा की जो भुरगो सायन्सीचो जाला तेंगे 45 स्टुडंट्स आसात, तितून भितरले तेणी 15 अशें 3 बॅची करून क्लासीस घेताले म्हणून ते. आनी जेन्ना जो रिपोर्ट आमकां आज कळ्ळो तेन्नाच्यान तेणी ती क्लासी घरा कडेन ऑनलायन केलेली आसा म्हणून सांगलें तेणी आमकां. तशें तेणी आनी रिपोर्ट दिलो आमकां, जो भुरगो जाला पॉझिटिव्ह स्कुलांच्यान जायना तेंगे घरा कडेन कोण 2 जाण पॉझिटिव्ह जाला त्याच तेका पॉझिटिव्ह जाला म्हणून.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.